Meaning and importance of marketing environment. This slide introduces our key discussion. Marketing environment, its meaning and its importance in the field of marketing. Understanding this concept is critical because every marketing decision a company makes it influenced by a range of internal and external factors. We start by understanding what marketing environment means. It is defined as all the internal and the external factors that influence a company marketing decision and action. Let's break this down further. Internal factors. These are the factors that exist within the company and are under the control. Some common example of internal factor includes brand strength, employee skills, service quality. Brand strength is the reputation and the recognition of the brand in the market. Employee skill is the knowledge, expertise, and the competence of employee that directly impact service quality. Service quality, how well the company serves its customer, which affect customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's take an example of Amul. It has developed a strong supplier network and enjoy a positive brand reputation. Both these aspects are internal strength that gives Amul a competitive edge in the dairy industry. Thus internal factors are like the building blocks that a company leverage to create successful marketing strategies. While internal factors are within control, external factor operates outside the company boundary, making them uncontrollable. Economic shift. Changes in the economic environment like inflation, recession or growth specters. Social changes, changing preference, value, beliefs, behavior of society. Government regulation is the new law, taxes or policy that can directly affect operations. Technological advancement. Innovation that can after how products are made, marketed or consumed. Let's take an example of after the GST, goods and service tax was introduced in India. Many companies had to revise their pricing strategy to remain compliant and competitive. With the popularity of UPI, Unified Payment Interfaces in India, digital payment became widespread. Platforms like Swiggy and Zomato quickly integrated digital payment options into their service to meet their new customer preference. These examples show that how company must be agile in adapting to external forces that they cannot control. The need for monitoring environmental changes. Smart marketers don't just observe these changes, they actively monitor and respond to them. Why is this important? Bring Environmental shifts can bring opportunity to innovate, enter new markets or cater to customer needs. Challenges such as new competitor, changing customer behavior, regulatory constraint. Let's take an example of post the COVID-19 pandemic. There was a noticeable shift in consumer preference towards healthier product. Company like Tita and Patanjali respond effectively by launching more natural and health-focused products. This slide teaches that continuously adapting of marketing plans and strategies is essential to stay competitive in a rapidly changing environment. Importance of marketing environment. Identifying opportunities and threats. Understanding the marketing environmental help companies to identify new opportunity, entry into emerging market, aligning with evolving customer preference, leveraging new technologies for innovation. Identify potential threats, rising competition, regulatory change that could restrict business, economic changes like inflation or recession. By analyzing the environment, company are reduce risk associated with uncertainties, plan better for the future. In simple terms, environmental understanding is like a radar system. It helps marketer detect what coming ahead in the business landscape. Importance of marketing environment. Adapting to changes. Marketers are not static. They continuously evolve due to changing trends, shift in consumer behavior, rapidly environmental and technological development. Why is monitoring these chart changes important? Because it helps businesses to stay relevant by aligning product and service with what the market demands. Respond quickly to seize opportunities or mitigate risk. Prevent losses that can occur from failing to notice significant market changes. In a fast changing market, companies that adapt quickly win, while those that do not are left behind. Third is strategic plan. An in-depth understanding of the environment directly influences a company's strategic planning process. With environmental insight, business can decide what product to offer, determine how to price those products, changes and choices where to sell, channel of distribution, plan how to promote effectively. For example, knowing that customers are increasingly online, company might shift from traditional advertising to digital marketing. Hence, environmental knowledge ensures that strategies are not just theoretical but practically aligned with market realities. Importance of marketing environment. Fourth is improving marketing effectiveness. When company understand their environmental well, their marketing become more effective. Benefits include deeper insight into consumer behavior and preference, enhanced communication strategy that resonate better with target audience, gaining a competitive edge through unique and customer focused marketing approach. This means marketing messages, campaign and promotion hit the right audience in the right way, maximizing impact. Last is better decision making. Finally, environmental analysis contribute to better decision making across the organization. It's help in making informed decision based on data and trends. Allocate budgets wisely, for example, focusing on high growth area. Enhance advertising and promotional strategies, improving overall business performance. These decisions are not just confined to marketing teams but also guide top management in crafting overarching business strategy. This makes marketing environmental analysis a strategic tool for organizational success. That's all. Thank you.